Okay, in this video, we'll basically go over the basic spa operation. As you can see, the water level in the spa is low right now, and I did that on purpose. Basically, overnight the water will drain back into the pool and things like that. So this is pretty typical for the spa to be low. So I'll show you now how to fill it up, and then once it's full, we'll switch the valves around again to show how to circulate the hot tub without draining water back into the pool. So basically we want water to come from the pool and go into the hot tub. So here's the water comes from this side. So we'll open up these valves here. You can open all of them, or you can open just the main drain, wherever water's gonna come from. So this position is open. This position is closed. The off lettering basically means that that passage is blocked. So open, water can flow through it. Closed, of course, water can't flow through there. So we open that valve, water can flow through the skimmers. Same thing on this side. It can also flow through the main drain and into the pump. But we want to close this into this position because we don't want to pump water from the hot tub. Obviously, we're trying to fill it up. So now we select where the water goes to. So we want the water to go to the spa jets, and we want it to go to the spa fountain also. So we'll open that valve. That's the open position. And we don't want it to go to the pool, so we'll close the pool valve. So now the valves are all configured to pump water from the pool into the hot tub. So we'll come in here, we'll push start, and we'll push the number 3. Just like in the previous video, we'll go ahead and set the heater up. Okay, the heater's set, and it'll start heating the water that's pumped through it. Now the hot tub is, of course, being filled, and it's being heated. Once it's full enough, we'll change the valves around to circulate the water in the hot tub. So once it gets full, we'll say that's good enough. If you want to fill it to the point where it's overfilling, that's not a problem. It just goes back into the pool to get the floating debris off the surface of the hot tub. So now it's full enough. We'll go back in here. Sometimes, depending on how empty the hot tub is when you start, it can take anywhere between 10 to 2 minutes to fill it up. It doesn't take long. It's a pretty strong pump. So now we want water to come from the hot tub and go back into the hot tub. So first we'll open this valve. We can do this while the pump is running, as long as you don't close all the valves. We can open this valve, and in fact, to make things easier, we can just block off this entire side. So now water can't flow through anything here, which means nothing all along there. And the only place the water can come from is the spa. So we will have water coming from the spa, and of course going back to the spa jets and the spa fountain. Now it's important that when you're all done, you can turn the pump off, or it'll go off automatically after 2 hours, no big deal. But it is important, since the pump runs automatically, to change the valves to circulate the pool, so that the pool needs to be circulated daily to keep the water clean. So let's say we're all done with the spa. We'll come back in here and we'll change the valves around to circulate just the pool. So now, let's say the pump is turned off. So we can leave these valves open and we can close that. So now the water's coming from all of these, which is fine. And we want it to go back to the pool. So from the pool and to the pool. So we'll close the spa jets, they're off now. We'll close the spa fountain, it's off now, and it's only going back to the pool. Comes from here and back to the pool. So now we don't have to worry about when the heater kicks, or when the pump kicks on in the middle of the night or in the middle of the day. All it'll be doing is cleaning the pool water. So basically that's the only other thing in regards to running the spa is if you like to blow air through the spa jets while you're using it, you can just plug this big plastic thing that's mounted on the wall into the wall there. Plug it in when you want to use it, unplug it when you're done. And that's basically all you need to know about operating the spa. And of course, if you have any questions or if anything's not working the way you expect it to, don't hesitate to call or text or email or message us on the app. Thanks.